Today let's discuss about password lock. So first you must include keypad.h, wire.h, and the liquid crystal R2C.h. This is for the LCD. And inside the LCD, we have this 0 button, 7, 16, and 2. These numbers are the set to 16 columns and 2 rows. And then next we have this string pad. We have this variables byte num rows is equals to 4 and byte num calls is equals to 4. And then we have the string password. This is where to access your keypad. We set the password 050903. Then we have this variable declaration of keypress, and then we have this here. We have this car map. We have this car map, a car key map, array, num rows, and num columns. Inside the arrays, we have this 1, 2, 3, A, 4, 5, 6, B, 7, 8, 9. C and asterisk 0 hashtag D. And then we have this byte row pins num rows is 9876, and then the num columns is 5432. And then we have this keypad, my keypad is equals to keypad, make keymap keypad row pins columns. This line is where to map the keypad. And then we have this void setup. Inside the void setup, we have this LCD. This is where to function our LCD. And inside we have this LCD print. This is where to print the keypad in the LCD. And this test. And then the LCD is set of 0 and 1, and then we have this delay 1000 or 1 minute, and then we have this LCD clear. Then next we have this void loop. Inside the void loop, this is where your main code is run repeatedly. And then we have this ray keypad. If keypress is hashtag, this is where the password is granted, or else is denied. And then if keypress the asterisk, this is where to clear the pad or the keypad. And then it set the cursor to 00, and then the LCD print pad, and then delay 100 because 0.1 second. And then we have this void read keypad. This is if the keypad is pressed, then we can get the key of the keypad. And then we have this condition if key press or not, if hashtag is not pressed, then string code is strict increase, the pad is equals to